Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the sixth question in exercise 7.10. Let's select the first subdivision. This is integral between 1 to 2 x plus 3 divided by x into x plus 2 dx. This integration looks in the form of partial fraction. So first we will use that to solve the integral, and in the last stage we will apply the limits. So let's start with partial fraction. So this is a divided by x plus b divided by x plus 2 is equal to x plus 3 divided by x into x plus 2. So here we are going to take LCM. So this will become a into x plus 2 plus b into x divided by, you will get the same thing, right? So I'm going to directly compare the numerator and equate it to x plus 3. Now let's work on finding the value for a and b. So I'm going to put x is equal to 0. When I say x is equal to 0, the b term will vanish. So a into 0 plus 2 is 2 is equal to 0 plus 3 is 3, which means a is equal to 3 by 2. Now let's put the value of x is equal to minus 2, which means a term will vanish. So b into minus 2 is equal to minus 2 plus 3 is 1. So b is equal to minus half. Now we are going to substitute that in the integration. So this means it is integral 1 to 2. A's value is 3 by 2, which is a constant. So I'm taking it out. 3 by 2 dx divided by x. Now b's term is minus half, again a constant. I'm taking it outside the integration. Minus half into limit between 1 to 2 dx divided by x plus 2. Now let's integrate this, then we will apply the limits. So integral of dx by x is actually log x. So this is 3 by 2 log x between the limits 1 and 2 minus half into, this is going to be log of x plus 2 between the limits 1 and 2. Now let's apply the limit. So in the first case it is 3 by 2, then this is log 2 minus log 1 minus of half into, this is going to be equal to log of, when you apply the upper limit as 4 minus log 3. Now let's simplify logarithm. In this case it will become 3 by 2 log 2. Remember log 1 is 0, so there's no point in multiplying it with 3 by 2. I'm just ignoring it. Then this is minus half log 4 plus half log 3, because the minus term, I'm multiplying this minus 1 by 2 to this term. Now I can rewrite this as 3 by 2 log 2 minus, remember m log a is nothing but log of a power m. So using that notation, this will become log of 4 power half, which is nothing but 2 plus half log 3. So now this will be simplified as 3 by 2 minus 1. So I can combine this and write half log 2 plus half log 3. Now I can take the half outside. So this is half into log of 2 plus log 3. Remember log a plus log b is log ab. So this is half into log of 2 into 3 is 6. So the answer for the first integration is half log 6. Now let's take up the second one. The second integration is between the limits 1 to 3 dx divided by x squared into x plus 1. Like in the first case, this is partial fraction. So let's break it. A divided by x plus b divided by x squared plus c divided by x plus 1 will be 1 divided by x squared into x plus 1. We will take the LCM and compare only the numerator. So this is going to be ax into x plus 1 plus b into x plus 1 plus c x squared is equal to 1. So first we will put x is equal to 0. So when we place this, a and c will vanish. So this is b into 0 plus 1 is 1 is equal to 1, which means b is equal to 1. Now let's put x is equal to minus 1. So in this case, a and b will vanish. C into minus 1 the whole squared is 1 is equal to 1, which means c's value is also equal to 1. Now I'm going to put x value is equal to 1. This means a into 1 into 2 plus b into 2 plus c is going to be equal to 1. We already know the value of b and c. So let's put this here. 2a plus 2 into b, so it is just 2 plus 1 is equal to 1. So 2a is going to be equal to minus 2, which means a is equal to minus 1. Now let's put this in the integration. So integral between 1 to 3, I have a's value is minus 1. So I take the minus directly outside, dx divided by x. Now b's value is plus 1, so plus integral between the limits 1 to 3, dx divided by x squared. Plus c's value is also 1, so it is integral 1 to 3 dx divided by x plus 1. So first let's integrate all of this, then we will apply the limits. So this is minus of log x between the limits 1 and 3 plus this, when you integrate, x square is going to become on the top as x to the power minus 2. So after you integrate, it will become minus 1 by x. Remember the limits is 1 to 3 plus log of x plus 1 between the limits 1 and 3. Now let's apply the logarithm. When you apply log, this is minus of, I'm applying the upper and lower limits, so this is going to be minus log 3 minus log 1, then plus, this is going to be minus 1 by 3, then minus of minus 1 is plus 1, then plus log of 3 plus 1 is 4 minus log 2. So this is what we have applied. Now I'm going to remove the signs and then see how to simplify. So this is minus log 3 plus log 1, either way is 0. So I'm directly discarding this particular expression. So this is going to be plus 1 and minus 1 by 3. Then plus log 4. Log 4 I can write it as log of 2 squared minus log 2. So now this is minus log 3. Here alone we are taking LCM. So this is going to be plus 2 by 3. Then this will become 2 log 2. And so let's like that out, 2 log 2 minus log 2. So this will become 2 by 3 plus this alone will become log 2 minus log 3. We know log a minus log b is log a by b. So the final answer for this integration will be 2 by 3 plus log of 2 by 3. In the next video, we will find the solution for the 7th question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.